Hello student, welcome back to my channel. Today's topic is working with files and folder lesson 4 in computer subject class 4. First of all, we are reading about some question in book. Let's start. Now, A. Tick the correct option. First, a file is an item that contains information about. Answer is all of these. Second, a folder within a folder is usually called a subfolder. Third, shortcut key to cut a file or folder, Ctrl plus X. Fourth, shortcut key to paste a file or folder is Ctrl V. 5. To select multiple files, we must hold key A. Control. Fill in the blanks. First, on your computer, files are represented with icon. Second, you can open the computer window by selecting Start menu. Third, cutting and pasting are typical window function. 4. Copying does not damage or remove the selection being copied. 5. To save some time, you can create shortcut to the item you use frequently. C. Tick the correct one and cross the wrong one. First, a file is an item that contains information, for example, text or images or music. Correct. Right. Second, a folder is a container you can use to store file in. Wrong. Third, the computer window primarily displays hard disk information. Right. 4. You can also delete a file or folder by dragging it to the My Documents. Wrong. 5. A logo is a link that you can place in My Location to gain instant access to a particular file, folder or program. Right. Answer the following questions. I will solve question in notebook. What is a file? Answer is a file is an item that contains information, for example, text or images or music. Second, what is a folder? A folder is a container you can use to store files in it. Third, differentiate between cutting and pasting. Answer, cutting. It is a process of moving some things. Pasting, it is a process of bringing back the cut items in its location. Second, Ctrl plus X is its keyboard shortcut key. Second, Ctrl plus V is its keyboard shortcut. How do you rename a file or a folder? Answer, for renaming a file or folder, we should follow these steps. Step first, select the file or folder you wish to rename. Step 2, click on the Organize menu and select Rename. Step 3, type in the new name. Step 4, to finalize the remaining operation, press Enter or click away from the rectangle that surrounds the file or folder name. 5. How do you create a shortcut from for a file or a folder? Answer is open the drive or folder containing the file or folder in which you want to create a shortcut. First, click to view large image. Second, right click the file or folder and then click create shortcut. Third, to change the shortcut's name, right click the shortcut. Click, click rename from the shortcut menu. Type a new name, press enter. 5. 4. Drag the shortcut to the desired location. After that, model test paper 2. A. Every computer needs and that operate the computer. Answer is running device. Second, when you click on start button, you will see icon. Third, a file is an item that contains information about all of these. 4. Is a drawing tool that can be used for simple drawing and basic image editing. Answer, paint. 5. Shortcut key to paste a file or a folder is Ctrl plus X. Fill in the blanks. On your computer, files are represented with icon. Second, background image of the desktop is called a closing. Third, to save sometimes you can create shortcut to the items you use frequently. 4. Notepad is a basic text editing program that you can use to create documents. 5. Cutting and pasting are typical window function. C. Tick the correct one and cross the wrong one. First, a folder is a container you can use to store file in. Wrong. The top of the start menu contains an instant search box. Wrong. Third, a logo is a link that you can place in any location to gain instant access to a particular file, folder or program. Right. 4. Title bar displays the name of the documents of program. Right. There is one version of Microsoft Windows in existence. Wrong. D. Answer the following questions. I will solve this question in notebook. Model test paper 2. Answer the following question. First, what is a desktop? Answer is the desktop is the main Windows 7 screen. It is the work area where dialog boxes, windows, icons and menus appear. Second, what is a folder? A folder is a container you can use to store files in it. Third, what is a screensaver? Answer is when your computer is not in use for some time, animated image appears on the monitor. This is called screensaver. 4. Differentiate between cutting and pasting. Cutting, pasting. First, it is a process of moving some things. Pasting, it is a process of bringing back the cut items in its location. Second, Ctrl plus X is its keyboard shortcut. 2. Ctrl plus V is its keyboard shortcut. 5. How do you create a shortcut for a file or folder? Answer, open the drive or folder containing the file or folder in which you want to create a shortcut. First, click to view large image. Second, right click the file or folder and then create shortcut. Third, Third, to change the shortcut's name, right click the shortcut, click rename from the shortcut menu, type a new name, press enter. 5. Drag the shortcut to the desired location. Okay student, I have done model test paper 2. After that, half yearly exam paper. First of all, objective type question. Let's start now. Tick the correct option. First, where was the abacus invented? China. Second, dash is a drawing tool that can be used for simple drawings and basic image editing. Answer is paint. Third, data and instruction given to a computer are called. Answer is none of these. 4. A file is an item that contains information about music. Sorry, music. I think music is wrong. All of this. 5. Which of these can be used in place of a mouse? Answer is all of these. Fill in the blanks. Notepad is a basic text editing program that you can use to create documents. Second, on your computer, files are represented with icon. Third, Pascaline had a box with 8 movable wheels called dials. Fourth, to save some time, you can create shortcut to the items you use frequently. 5, background image of the desktop is called a closing. C. Tick the correct one and cross the wrong one. First, a folder is a container you can use to store files in. Wrong. The top of the start menu contains an instant search box. Wrong. Third, a logo is a link that you can place in any location to gain instant access to a particular file, folder, or program. Right. 4. Title bar displays the name of the documents and program. Right. 5. There is one version of Microsoft Windows in existence. Wrong. Answer D. Answer the following question. I will solve this question in notebook. Half yearly exam paper. Answer the following question. First, how do you rename a file or folder? For renaming a file or folder, we should follow these steps. Step 1. Select the file or folder you wish to rename. Step 2. Click on the Organize menu and select Rename. Step 3. Type in the new name. Step 4. To finalize the renaming operation, press enter or click away from the rectangle that surrounds the file or folder name. Second, give two differences between dot matrix printer and inkjet printer. First, dot matrix printer. First, it is also called the impact printer. Inkjet printer. It is also called the non-impact printer. Second, this printer is slow but economical. Second, this printer is fast but expensive. Third, what is Windows? Answer is a window is a boxed area in which you view programs, files, folder, drives, icons representing programs, file or folder and other elements. 4. Name any two types of scanner. Answer is flatbed scanner. Second, sheet fed Scanner. 5. Name any two early machines. Answer is two early machines are abacus, Napier bones. Okay, student, I have done all question in this lesson and model test paper 2 and half yearly exam paper. Okay, student, I have done all question. If you like my videos, please like, share and subscribe. Okay, student, Allah Hafiz. Bye.